Hey James, how you doing? How's the kids? How's the dog? And how's the class? Boom. Okay, so this video is gonna be just a tons bit different. Let me get my life together real quick. I know y'all see the hair, because if y'all don't see the hair, here. I'm trying to, you remember that back in the good old days where that braided mohawk, you gotta embrace your natural. Love your nerves. Okay, so today's different because I'm gonna be answering a question. Okay, I wasn't ready. I'll be back. Oh my gosh. I can't get my life together for nothing. For nothing. The least I could do is come back with some wish lips because that took forever. Okay, so let's try this again. Hey Gems, how you doing? How's the kids? How's the dog? And how's the grass? Boom. Okay, so I'm back again. And we're gonna do this video, but I just wanted to let you know, sidebar, my hair was cuter earlier before the rain started, so heat and water doesn't mix, so my hair got a little poofy. Humidity is not my friend, but I will leave it. I mean, as you could see here, my hair looked so much better today. Y'all see them curls though? Permot set, okay? Natural. As in, like, I only use water and gel. Permods, water and gel. And lots of heat. I was under the dryer for so I got out of school. I went under the dryer for like 45 minutes. I took a nap and then I woke up. I went to the library. The permods were still in. I came back from the library. I sat under the dryer for maybe 20 minutes, maybe less, to be honest with you. Then I went to sleep. I woke up, I got under the dryer for like 5 minutes, and then I took them out, and I'm like, oh, they look so good. Oh, all right, so this video is a little bit different, Gems. I'm gonna answer this question. And as a lot of you guys may or may not know, I am in beauty school, aka cosmetology school, aka hairstyling school, aka I don't know whatever else you want to call it, all that school, because and there's this question: why is beauty your passion, and how will your career in beauty fulfill your purpose? Let's break the question down like I just did with that sentence. Anyways, why is beauty your passion? Why am I so passionate about beauty? What do I like? Why am I so driven? Something about me I noticed is, well, like, I'm a nature lover. How do I put this? Okay. Yeah, I see beauty in like nature. Like, you have animals and the way they're built and the colors they are. You look at that and I call that beauty. When you look at their exterior, as well as their interior. And then you look at a tree, you just look, it's like you have your trunk. And not all trunks of a tree is the same. You have the tall ones, the slinky ones, all of that. And then the trees fall, and like the leaves of the tree fall certain ways. And the shape of that tree, the green, or that one turns brown, or how in the fall it turns this beautiful golden brown, and it's just like, that's beauty. And then you have a human being. That's true beauty. Because when you look at someone and you just look at their like features, all right, there's different types of lips, shoulders, like my little, we learned this in school, come on MiniiMani, clavicle. My clavicle might pop out more than that person's, But that is my beauty, and their beauty might be where like their features in their face, maybe they have high cheekbones and it just accentuates their beauty. That's beauty. And the reason I'm so passionate about that is because it kind of comes naturally. It's not like they had to work for it too much, you know? And some people, they don't like their features. And with hair, I feel like I have the ability to use what they already have to just make them happy in their beauty. You know what I mean? So they kind of see their shape and their features. And by doing hair, I'm able to do that, you know? For example, you have certain hairstyles that fit certain faces. They may have a biggest forehead, but the rest of their face is like high. It's really like amazing, you know? This part right here, this part right here is just, but their forehead is just, ooh, girl, I'm able to give you some bangs. So now they really concentrate on the beauty. I'm not saying the rest of you is ugly, guys. I'm not saying that. But if you take it that way, I'm so sorry. But it's like I can help what's already there. I could just, you already have these things. I'm just helping it pop. You know, does that make sense? Sometimes things sound so much better in my head than they sound in real life. I'm just saying. But I think that's why I chose this career. Because I've been doing this for a while, and I don't know, I'm like, I like it, but I don't know. I was just very hesitant, you know? But then I got serious about it. I was like, it's time to buckle down and decide what I'm going to do with my life. It probably didn't go that way. There was a lot of trials and tribulations that ended up where I'm at today. But yeah, we're going to say it happened like that. Okay. So now, I think that I don't know if I answered both parts at once, but now we're going to answer the second part, which is, how will your career and beauty fulfill your purpose? All right, my purpose in life, I believe my purpose in life is to help others. It's act of servicing the world or whatever, because I'm a caring person. And I like to see people go far, and I like to see people be confident in who they are. And I don't know, it took me some time to realize some of my like attributes. That's the word. Some of my best features, some of my great characteristics. It took some time for me to realize that's who I am. But like, I can really say that like I'm a helper. If you are down in the dumps, I will help you. And I don't know, I feel like beauty, I can do that without giving too much of myself. Because I tend to give and give, but then it's kind of draining. But maybe my creativity just flows. I think I have enough of that to give out, okay? You know, I can help you solve problems. That's great. Don't take the rest of me, please, because I don't have much of that. So by doing beauty, I can help them feel confident in who they are, and I can see them thrive without training myself, you know? So my passion for beauty, I think here will help me fulfill that purpose of helping. But yeah, because when you see someone, when you get your hair done, you get your hair done, you get your nails done, you get a facial, you get a whole new outfit, and like, y'all heard that? That's cool. But I don't know who he is. Like, I always hear him every time I'm in here recording, but I don't know who he is. And I wish I was outside, but it's nighttime whenever he comes back, so maybe one day we'll, you know, meet. But what was I saying? Oh, you get a whole new outfit. When you're done up, you're pretty, you feeling it. It's like everything is just like, you're like a beautiful flower. or something. Like you just bloomed, or you're not the caterpillar, but now you become the butterfly. You just get a new level of confidence. You start feeling yourself. You're like, nothing can't stop me. You're like INDEPENDENT. Do you know what that means? Like you just you're just doing it all. So if I could be the type of person, if I'm like, yeah, I was part of that little, I was this tiny part of that plan, you know? I was part of that. Like I got her, yes, that job that she got after she came to my shop to get her hair done so she could look amazing. Yeah, I was part of that. It's been my passion for a really long time. I've just been running from it because I didn't think it gave me purpose. Even though it took me, let's see, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, wow. Whoa, let's start over again. I need to do some math. Give me a second. I'm glad I only need basic math in here because so I was in high school, so I was like 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I'm back, okay. Even though it only took me 7 years to figure this out, better late than never. Well, so that was kind of all I had to tell you guys. I was basically answering this question, focusing that around that. And once I graduate, you will be seeing a whole lot more of me. That's the plan. Plans change, but we're gonna hope and pray that they don't. So you'll see more of me. And you know, because I will be learning more, I'll be trying to show more. So gems, that's kind of all I have for today. I'm trying to make this, so yeah. Lip gloss is back. All right guys, I'm gonna go get my life together now. So thank you gems for watching, and I will see you next time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, let your girl know how you feel, and I will see you